Hi guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Subba Raju. Welcome to another Unix video session. In this session, we'll try to observe script, BC, unique, log name, users, which, varies, factor, echo, and redirectional operators. Each and every command is commonly we are using in the Unix operating system. Let me explain what is script. For example, there is a Unix prompt and you are running several jobs. These all whatever you executed, you want to save in a separate file or by default a TypeScript file. We are using commonly script. Script is the command to store executed jobs or commands in a separate file. Second one, BC. BC is nothing but base conversion. People are calling as best calculator. It is an excellent command. It is an excellent command for calculations. It can do any kind of mathematical calculations. Base conversion or best calculator. Practically we can observe. Next, UNIQ. It always displays unique lines. What is the meaning of unique lines? For example, I am creating a file. File name is cat Naresh Technologies. So I am writing some lines here in Naresh Technologies. The lines are nothing but, for example, Unix. I wrote Unix. I said Linux. I said again Linux. I said JS. I said Unix. I said again JS. Control D and exit, save and exit. Prompt is coming as usual. If you apply unique Naresh IT Technologies, so command I am giving UNIQ Naresh Technologies, whatever the file you created, that one. If you provide that one, so first Unix displays. So it is checking the next immediate pattern matching or not. Matching means one time will display. And it is matching, so one time will display. And the next one, JavaScript is only one time available and again. And next, Unix JavaScript, both are different, it is not matching. So again Unix will displays. And again JavaScript Unix, right, again JavaScript will display. See, observe now here. So Unix one time displayed because repeated next one. Linux one time displayed because repeated next one. JavaScript again displayed same that one. But next if you come to, this is not JavaScript, this is Unix. This is not Unix, this is a JavaScript. So this is separate, this is separate. So it is always following unique means not in entire the file. The next immediate one unique or not, that is it is checking. Next immediate is not Unix. So Unix, Linux, JavaScript, Unix and JavaScript. That means unique command always checking the uniqueness, the immediate next line or next word. That is called unique command doing. I will show you practically what about unique. Next one, log name. Log name always displaying currently logged in username. Very simple command, easy. If I type log name, for example, I logged in as Naresh Technologies. If you say log name, it displays Naresh Technologies. Naresh Technologies, and immediately prompt will come as usual. Next one is users. If you hit the users command, it displays how many users currently logged in. For example, 2 users logged in. One is Red Hat, another one is Raju. Both are displaying. Or 3 users or 4 users. How many number of users logged in? All the users it is displaying. That is users. Is a small command. Next one, which is nothing but one perfect command which is going to be displays the complete path of an exe. In Unix operating system, every command is .exe. Every exe is storing in bin folder or in bin directory. Bin available in several areas. Commonly bin available in one user folder, commonly bin available in the root folder. So whenever you are using which command, it is displaying direct binary path of a particular command. What is a binary file? The file which doesn't have any source code, that is called binary file. So generally people are calling executable file. So in Unix operating system, every command is exe. That command where stored, you want to check the path means which is the best command. Next one is where is. Now we'll observe what is where is duty. Where is. So where is which almost same, but where is displaying source, binary and manual pages information, whereas which displays only binary path. So which is where is displaying number 1 binary path, second one is source, third one is manual sections, whereas which displays only binary path. So this is a major difference between which and where is. Several options available, practically we can observe. Next one is factor. To display the factorials, we are using generally factor. Factor is a command to display the prime factors of a number. What are the prime factors available and what these prime factors able to display your factorials, we will try to observe practically. Next one, echo is almost all like printf. It is going to display a particular word, characters, numbers, all are almost all it is print. In Unix operating system as well as in the Linux, in the shell programming, echo is a print statement. And echo is following several escape sequences also. What are the escape sequences available and what are the options available in detailed manner in the same video we can observe practically. Next one is redirectional operators. It is one of the best topics in our Unix operating system. Redirectional operators. What is the meaning of redirection actually? Redirection is nothing but available here several operators. 1, 2 and another one is 3. For example, if you are observing here, this is commonly in the Unix operating system we are calling standard output operator. This is standard input operator. This is standard output operator. Why I implemented output 2 times? This is commonly we are using output. This is commonly we are using for standard error operator. So these are generally we are using as redirectional operators. One command output we can redirect to another command input. Another command input again we can redirect to some other command output. So this is what exactly the meaning of redirection. Redirection is nothing but this completely single redirection. Means at a time we are unable to send to 2 areas. At a time we can send to only 1 area. A small picture we can try to observe. Redirectional operators. Just I am giving 2. This is file for example. This is output is monitor. If I executed any example, that example output will display either on file, so no monitor. If displays on the standard output device, no file. Means at a time output you are unable to see. At a time it is possible either in file nor in monitor. Not at a time in both. That is the reason these are the single redirectional operators. Is not possible in Unix operating system multi-redirections? Possible. That is a command is called TEE. In advanced level, in the filters level, we can try to observe that one. Now these are the redirections. STD in, STD out, STD error. Now I am writing this one. Standard out, standard in, standard error. These are the redirectional operators. So let me allow to execute one by one all these commands practically. Right guys, each and every command practically we can observe. The first command is script, SCRIPT, script. And script started, file is TypeScript, that is a default file name. Now I am executing through 3 files. For example, cat I am creating Naresh Technologies. Yes, it is NIT text file, control D I said again ls. So ls means TypeScript available. Now another command also I am executing, that is nothing but umask. So another command also I am showing here. The command is nothing but touch file 1, file 2. That's all. Now I am saying exit. Exit means it is giving immediately script done, file is TypeScript. Whatever jobs you performed, all jobs stored in this file. If you open type cat TypeScript, whatever the jobs you executed in the span of a few minutes or seconds or hours, the job completely available in this one. So cat Naresh Technologies, whatever I typed, everything available. And here you can observe cat TypeScript, script started and script done. So starting date and time completely, ending date and time. Like this, if you are going to display in a specific file, so that time I am giving script, I am showing in a file sraju. If I press enter, script started, file is sraju. So whatever operations you are performing, touch file 3, file 4, I created 2 files. Then cat, I am displaying one file to see that file 3, for example, we know that nothing available. Cat, I am appending file 3, I am appending file 3 text file. So control D and exit I am saying. So whatever the operations I performed, all operations exclusively storing in sraju. Say SLS, sraju available. Say cat sraju and open that, everything. When started script and when completed, complete information available. So script is a feature. You want to know about that one, script command, and which is what exactly it is performing. Make TypeScript of your terminal session, one session completely storing. It has different options also available. You can view those options. Command append means you want to, same file you want to add some more data. For example, come out, already sraju available. So script you said, yes Raju you said. If I press enter, forcefully overwritten. No, I don't want to overwrite. -a you can say. So latest whatever you are executing, those commands will be added into previous file. -a is nothing but append. So this is script practical thing. Next one, BC. I said already, base conversion or best calculator. And if you are going to observe BC and displaying the version and the details of the BC. For example, numerical calculations you want to display. Simple problem I am showing perfectly. For example, a big kind of calculation things you want to do. Any kind, no problem. Now you want to run some kind of functions or some base kind of. And for example, C language programs you are going to execute. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, then I. The I value will be displayed here. Because BC completely developed based on C language. BC is a bigger command which is doing all kind of mathematical relations operations. For example, you are giving 12 cap 3. First 2 cap 3 I will show you. Easy to understand to you people. For example, 12 cap something. For example, I need 4. Now for example, you want to perform, there is a kind square root. I said SQRT 169. Yes, you are expecting answer correct. Now you are giving 12 by 3. Here available. So 4 available. 12 by 3 means 4 times at 1. Now you need to scale. Scale is equal to 3 you said. Then 12 by 3 you said. Observe. And you said scale is equal to, for example, 6. And I said 12 by 4. Like this, any kind of problem, whenever you are providing the displaying scale, whatever you are declaring, that much float value is displaying. After you are executing many calculations, any kind of, after execution successfully, you hit Control D to exit from best calculator or base conversion. View in detailed manner BC, just man BC, arbitrary precision calculator language. That itself it is giving very clearly, it is a language especially for calculations. And it is available clearly. BC is a language that supports precision, arbitrary precision numbers with the interactive execution of statements. So it is completely developed on C language. Observe several options, try it all these. And several options already shown to you, that is BC. BC is nothing but base conversion. Here DC also available. This is we are calling desk calculator. And if you are going to arbitrary precision calculator, and another one it is giving desk calculator. And what is the difference between BC and DC? BC is nothing but calculating up to one level numbers. But DC, it is giving almost all. DC is a reverse Polish desk calculator which supports unlimited precision arithmetic. Means whatever the BC unable to, completely DC will be do. This is desk calculator. Several options available here also. You can. Less options available compared to BC. So this is about your DC. That is not that much usage in the market. Maximum in the real-time industry we are using BC, best calculator. Next one, unique. As I explained to you, unique information. Let me create first one file. File name is courses, and I am giving in the inside Unix, Linux, and next one I am providing here JS, Unix, Linux, Control D. If I created that file, I am applying UNIQ, unique courses. Hit the return key. Whatever I wrote in this video previously on the board, same output entered. It always checking the uniqueness, the immediate next line. So if you are going up, Unix, immediate Unix, one time displayed. Linux, immediate Linux, one time displayed. JS, immediate Unix, so JS one time, Unix one time. Unix after immediately Linux, not Unix, so Linux also displayed. For example, I'll try to create another file, cat, I am giving signals. Signals area I said red, green, blue, Control D. UNIQ signals. I am hitting return key as you are expecting. Red, green, blue, 100% correct. Because red immediately red available one time, green immediately red one time, blue immediately blue one time. So this is unique command doing. So once you are going to man unique, several options available. Report or omit repeated lines, unique option, input, output. Come to options, -C, how many times available, duplicated and repeated, what are the repeated, and unique. Now these options practically we can observe. Here two files available. First UNIQ -D courses, because these are only duplicated. Which are not duplicated, if you are going to there, that is first count you can say better. Which are not duplicated, so 1 displayed. Duplicated already, I said already, immediate line is not that one. After that it is duplicated. Now if you are using -U and should display all these 1, unique one time displayed. Now -D available. Let me run cat signals. Once you are opening that file and I am saying unique -D signals. Now because duplicated, whatever repeated words available, it is eliminated. And if you want to observe that one, -count signals 3, 2, 2. So this is UNIQ, always displaying unique lines, depends on their immediate repetition. Next one is log name. It is a small command which is displaying currently logged in username. Currently logged in username is the Red Hat. That is the log name. Log name also options are there. Common options available log name. -help, -version. Simple. We know already that version is version displaying. Help is nothing but what about log name? That help information displaying. Next one is users. Currently logged in users. 2 users actually logged in here with the Red Hat. Red Hat users it is showing because it is a kind of Unix operating system. I am showing Red Hat with the 2 terminals logged in. Right, that is users. Users also same options -help, -versions. Next one available, which is a powerful command I said, it is displaying an exe path completely, which cat I said. So cat stores in bin folder, bin stores in root folder. Before going to in detail, man, I want to display about which. Observe first line, shows the full path of shell commands. Several options available. One by one these options will try to observe. Now, which, for example, I am providing ls, which I want to run my C program. C compiler name in the Unix operating system, CC, the CC coming or not. C++ compiler in the Unix operating system, C++. So, any exe, that exe where stored, that location perfectly showing in the Unix operating system by which command. What path that one? That is a binary path. Now, where which available? I have a doubt, right? Which available? In bin folder. The bin available, user folder. User directory, should not call folder because UI, and it is a root. So, in this area, this is a which available. This is which.exe. And this is about your which. And next one is where is. Where is displaying 3 details. One is a binary path, manual path and source. These 3 details locating binary, source and manual page files. It has several options also. B, M, S, U. B means binary. Search for binary. M means manual. S means search for sources. We'll observe one by one. I am giving where is, I want for example -b cat. I want only cat exe path, means binary path. Same thing done by which command also, that is -b. Now I want to observe where is only manual path I required. Yes, it is providing manual path. And I required here manual path after source I required. What is the source name here? Cat is the source and source displayed. If you are not giving any option, by default these 3 displays. How? First one is source, second one is binary path, third one is first manual page location, fourth one is second manual page location. Manual page is generally in zip format. Already this video completed. Please refer the video the video which is available for the zip files. Clear. Next one is which completed, where is I said 3 details. Next one, factor. Factor means what? Factorial. What it is going to return? Print the prime factors of each specified number. Prime factors of. No options, simply 2 options available. What are the prime factors it is displaying? We can see. Factor. For example, I am giving 4. Yes, you are expecting correct 2, 2. I am giving 6. Yes, you are expecting correct 2, 2. I am giving 13. Yes, 13 only. For example, I am giving 169. Yes, 13, 13. Like this prime factors are displaying factors. You want to execute numbers one by one. Yes, factor enter. And any number you can provide now. 5, 5 only. 13 or 17, 17 only. For example, 169. Yes. Control D to exit from the factor. So it is displaying factor, prime factors of a specific number. That is a factorial. Next one, echo. Echo is a print statement. It is displaying anything. For example, I am writing echo. Simply double quotation. Hello, Naresh Technologies. Whenever I am writing hello, Naresh Technologies. Yes. Press enter. Now single quotation I am giving. Double quotation is shown, perfectly executed. Single quotation. Yes. Next one, no quotation. So echo is supporting all kind of formats. For example, I am declaring one variable and I am declaring another variable. I said echo $A address, echo $B address, and I said echo $A plus $B. To avoid this kind of miscalculation, you can make that one as an expression and it will be right, perfectly calculated. Now expression minus, expression multiplication, like this different kind of calculations. Now echo available even patterns and it is supporting also. So we can see several patterns also. Echo, I am providing small a to d I want. The expression should be only 2 dots. And I am giving small a to z. Yes, exactly. I am giving, for example, capital A to Z. Exactly. But if you are providing 3, it never supports. And I am giving, for example, capital A to small z, including special operators which are treating your Unix or shell programming as letters or alphabets. And next one, for example, you want to display numbers 0, I want up to 5, yes. I want 0 to 55, yes. So these are the expressions also it is satisfied. By using echo, we can do different kind of calculations. For example, I am doing using echo. Echo, I want to send some statement to another area, means another file. Now here some escape sequences available. Backslash, alert, backspace, new line, form feed, carriage return, horizontal tab, vertical tab, etc. like that. Now I am giving echo hello. I said world. Now I am giving echo after nothing. Just I am pressing enter. You know already answered that. I am giving comma. And after that I am giving double quotation, and double quotation inside I said exclamation, and double quotation after I said. So your exclamation treating as a special definition. So that I will discuss with you separately now in shell programming. So this is echo. Now echo level here I want to create a file first. Cat simple file is small. It is small text file. Small text file. Control D. Clear ls small available. Echo welcome. Welcome to echo in Unix, double quotation, and I said small. Now this statement is going to small file and overwriting with previous line. Cat small. Now I want to append that. Definitely you can append by using append operator. Now added now. This is so like this. Echo statement or echo command we can say it is doing number of operations in the Unix operating system. In the shell programming level separately we can see what are the echo operations available. Even here we can see next line operation also if you are. Echo, I said hello and /n world. I hope you understood what is my meaning. Hello first line, second line world. But not displayed like that. In that situation we need to use -e and perfectly displayed that one. No, I don't want space. Okay, don't give space. And I want a tab space. Definitely /t. Like this we can use escape sequences also in the echo. And finally redirectional operators. We'll observe redirectional operators. Redirection means one command output we are sending to another command input, and how it is. For example, cat, I am creating a file Unix. This operator is standard output redirectional operator. If I hit the return key, the prompt is waiting for my input. I am giving hello, welcome to Unix operating system. It is a text file. 2 lines data I entered, Control D. Now I want to view these file contents. Then I am giving cat and I set the operator name standard input redirectional operator. Hit the return key. Once you hit the return key, the output is showing on the screen, standard output device. Now why this is an output operator? Why this is an input operator? It is an output operator because Unix file creating as output. It is an input operator because Unix file you are giving as input to view the file data. So the reason you need to understand. Now again I am going to show here same example. This is input, explained already. This is output, explained already. I am giving line X. If I hit the return key, the Unix data means Unix, whatever the Unix file contains, whatever the data lines, all the data lines are moving to line X. Hit the return key. Cat line X. It behave like CP but not CP. It is called redirection. One command output redirecting to other file or monitor. Now here I want to use WC. Already completed in previous video. Word count. Word count I am providing line X. Only lines I want to provide. You know already 2 lines available. Simple example. So pipe symbol. What is a pipe? Pipe is nothing but one kind of redirectional character. It is always taking first command output giving to second command input. Second command output giving to third command output. Like this it is serving one command output to another command input. Now WC -L line X pipe symbol and I am providing WC -L line X. It is giving number of lines and I am redirecting into WC first cat line X pipe symbol WC -L. Means it is displaying line X file data without displaying it is sending to WC and it is displaying number of lines. The output is as you expected to. Now 2 I don't want display on the monitor. I want to send to another file. The file name is line. Press enter. Now open line file. It contains 2 characters. Because 2 lines available I send to a new file. It is a kind of redirection. Right, clear. Who command. Generally who command displaying how many users currently logged in. Space -, count. It is displaying number of users count. And pipe symbol. And I am giving WC -L. So this command output sending that command input. Currently logged in users to Red Hat because 2 terminals I opened. Now once that same output you want to insert into users 1 because users we must not use, it is a command. Now if you are observing users 1, that output available. Right, a simple realistic example we can try to observe. Now already here files available, total 4 files available. So these files I am giving ls -l or -w pipe symbol. I am sending WC ls only. I am not using any option. ls WC -w. If I hit the return key, 4 should come because 4 files available. Now it is I am redirecting to a new file. New file name is NIT. Now if I hit the return key and answer is redirecting to NIT and NIT file creating means 5. Already 4 available plus NIT 5, that 5 is redirected to NIT. This is the redirectional operators, a realistic example. Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, log into youtube.com/NareshIT.